Hello viewers, a very good morning. It is Isma as usual back again from FX Kampala. In our YouTube video today, we're going to be looking at a step-by-step video on how literally anybody can create a Forex trading account. So ideally, this video is going to be precise, simple, but then with a lot of information into it. What we're literally going to be looking up for in this particular video, or what we're literally going to be looking at, we're going to be looking at how you create a trading account. That is one. Two, we shall see how you upload your documents, that is your national ID. Then we shall not only stop from there, we shall see how you deposit money, how you connect your account that you've created with the trading platform, that is the MT5. And lastly, we shall see how you can ideally withdraw money from this particular account. So it's what is actually going to be in this particular video. However, if you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just type in FX Kampala, you'll find such amazing affirmative information. So without any wastage of time, we're going to get directly onto a reason as to why I've created this particular video. So on reaching onto the platform, on reaching onto the PC, I believe we can clearly see literally everything. So when we get to the PC, all you have to do is open your Google Chrome, rather open your browser. It can be Google Chrome, it can be Mozilla. Type in FX Kampala. Okay, when you type in FX Kampala, you're definitely going to get onto our website. When you reach here, come where there is brokers. When you reach brokers, make sure that you're very fast because I'm going to make this precise with the interest of time, but then well affirmative. So when you reach at the brokers, just come and click on, let me first get my pen here. So make sure you've clicked on to, you come here and you click on the word here, HFM markets, because it's the platform, it's the broker that we're going to be using. For those that can't see, it's ideally this broker that I've clicked on, we're going to use. So all you have to do is to click onto this thing that I'm putting into the box. Remember, we're registering with the broker and creating an account with them. So once you click onto this, it will definitely bring you here. And once it brings you here, just come where there is the word register. The word register is what I'm literally just circled. Once you reach there, click on it. When you click on it, it's definitely gonna begin, or will now show you the beginning point of how you can create this particular account. So when you reach here, at this particular point, you will look for the country Uganda. You just click on here, you select country Uganda. Then you're going to put your email address here. Make sure you put in the correct email address. Then you're going to create a password. The password you're creating here is always that password that you'll be using to log in every time you want to access your HF markets that you're going to create. So you definitely to log into that account. That is, if you're probably already done all this, all you have to do is to make sure that you use your email and then this password that you're going to create. So this password has to have a capital letter in it. It has to have a small letter in it. It has to have a number in it. And it also has to be with a special character. Special characters we're looking at, we can have a dash. So we have a couple of special characters. You have to make sure that your password has any of these. So let me do that. Then once you've put in all this correctly, just click in this box. When you click there, it will show a tick, and then you later start your registration. Okay, you click register, and then we see what happens next. I'm going to do this very fast as we keep up on the same very pace. So after registering, they will definitely tell you that we have sent a PIN code in your email. So you bring that email, that code they have sent, you type it in here. When you type it in here, just click on verify, and then we shall see now what will happen for our next step. Make sure that you literally do this step by step. Once you click verify, this is what they're going to tell you. They'll tell you registration successfully have been transferred to client area. Automatically, once you've done that, the system transfers you to the client area. In other words, the system automatically brings you to your account to finish up with the registration. So I'm doing this fast, but make sure you do it very fast. In any case you happen to lose or you get lost, I'll put in a contact at the beginning of this video, or I'll put a contact in this video. Make sure you contact us and don't hesitate in any case you have any challenges. So when we reach here, what we have to do is they bring this page automatically. So bringing this page means you put your first name here, the way it appears on your national ID. Then you put your last name here. you select gender. So we usually select male here. The country is always Uganda. Then we put our contact here because it's the one that we shall be using. That is every time we actually happen to deposit, to withdraw, we shall be using this. And then we shall put in our date of birth. Then we shall click onto this and then just click onto continue. It's as simple as that. Let me do mine and then we proceed and we see what happens. Once you've done that, it will definitely now bring you to this step. So with this step, we need to put in our address information, and this has to be the same on our national ID. It has to be the same as of that on our national ID. Then what we're literally going to do, let me get my pen. So here, you will definitely put your address the way it is behind your national ID. So make sure I put every detail of your national ID as your address. That is the district, from the district, then county, sub-county, zone, or village, whatsoever. Make sure I put all of them in that line, okay? Make sure I put all of them in that line. Like, for instance, you can start with the district. You separate it, parish, separate, sub-county, space, sub-county, like that. Make sure I put every detail there as what is behind your national ID. Then option number 2, we leave it. Here, don't put anything, just leave it. Here, put your district as it is on your national ID. This one is option, don't put anything. Here, we're going to put 256 as our zip code, and then this one, leave it as the way it is. Then having done that, the next thing is basically just scroll down. When you scroll down, here, I recommend you to select the first option, which is that. Then education, you always know your education, undergraduate, postgraduate, you select. Then employment status, you select if you're a student. If you're self-employed, you select. Then the source of income, I usually recommend savings. You do that, you click on beginner, then you click on to continue. Once you're done that, we shall see what is going to happen. Let me put this information also for my account, then we proceed and we see what's going to happen. So when you click continue, it's definitely now going to bring you on the side, on the page where you're supposed to upload your national ID. But then before you upload your national ID, we need to do a few things here. So scroll, when it brings you here, just make sure you scroll down and click on continue onto this device. You select option number 1, all countries except the USA. Then click on to continue. Once you click on to continue, you let them tell them I will use an ID card. You select ID card. Then you're going to, around here or around this place is where you're going to upload your national ID. That is the front part. And around here is where you upload your national ID. That is the back part. And then once you're done, you just click on to next rather. Once you click next, then your account, you wait a few minutes. They will tell you, usually the verification takes 24 hours. But then, however, at this particular point, you can deposit. You can actually create an MT4 trading account, a platform where you're supposed to be trading. At this point, you can literally do everything. So having uploaded our ID, I'll just come and click here to upload the front, the back part, and then we see what's next. So when you click next, definitely you wait for a few minutes for your account to be approved. However, before the approval, you can always proceed on to this one. So for our next step, we're going to see how you create an MT5 trading account, MT4 trading account. That is a live account. Then we're going to deposit on it, and then we shall see how we withdraw the money from it, and then how do we make our MT5 account that we've just created. Next thing is now we need to download ourselves MT5, which is the trading platform. Those that are using the phone. So if you're not using, rather those that are using a laptop. If you're using a phone, don't hesitate to come here. Just get onto your App Store or Android Play Store, download MT5, and automatically it will get installed onto your laptop. But then if you're using a laptop, then let's proceed with this option. So just come here where there are boxes. Having uploaded your ID, just come here where there is boxes. Come where there is platforms. Once you click onto where there is platforms, it's gonna bring this page. Once it brings this page, come where there is the word trading up here, where I'm pointing. Just select, look for the platform, which is MT5. When you click onto MT5, it's now going to bring you to this page. When it brings you to this page, come where there is the word download MT5 and click onto it. It will just download and get installed just like any other application, and it will now appear something like this. Now, once it appears like this, the next thing is we need to create a live trading account. We're going to create a live MT5 trading account that once we deposit there, the money is going to be deposited onto the live trading account. Now, once we go, how do we do that? First things first, we're going to go and create an MT5 trading account that we shall now require to link this trading platform and deposit onto it such that we can try and start our live trading. The video is a full package of literally everything. So after downloading that, the next question we have is, how do you create a live MT5 trading account? What we did, just to make things right, what we did at first, we registered with the broker and created an account with the broker. Then the next thing that we did, we uploaded our ID. Then having uploaded our ID, the next thing that we did was definitely to download the MT5 trading account, because we can't trade on the brokerage website. We will need a trading platform. We have quite a number of different platforms. We have MT4, MT5, TradingView, and CTrader. So whenever you trade, you have to make sure that you create an MT5 trading account that you will link on the trading blocker, rather that you link on the trading platform, which is MT4, MT5. So for the purpose of this video, I'm creating MT5 trading account. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create MT5 trading account with our broker that we have created an account with, and then we link it in our trading platform. So we're seeing each and every step of this particular video, each and every step of how you can do this like real time, okay, live. So make sure that you pause and play. So how do you create? When you come onto your, usually use this manual on the left hand side here, home, deposit, withdraw, transfer, wallet. You can literally see. So when it's something to do with a trading account, you come here. If you want to view the accounts that you have, you can view them from here. If you want to create a live account, you open it from here. If you want to open up a demo account, trading volume and condition, and literally everything. So anything you want to know about the account is going to be on this section. So for us, we are creating a live account. So click on live account. When you click on create live account, they'll bring different account types that we have. I always recommend premium. So click on premium. When you click on premium, so you come and say, you click onto this. The account is going to be in dollars. You create a password. It's always good if you create the same password as of that you created an account of your HFM account. So make sure I use the same password. So I'll put my password. Then after that, after putting your password, make sure that once you come here, put 348857. When you put it there, click the word add. Once you click add, then just open up your account and your account is going to open up. Let me do that. Then we see what's next. When you click, then the next thing that happens is they will give you details of your account. Now, these details are the ones that you need to put on your MT5 account, your rather MT5 trading platform that you downloaded, this one. Okay? Because right now we just downloaded it and now we need to link it to your broker. So the question is, how do you link it to your broker? These details are going to help you on how you can link this. So what we do, they will ask for the login. They'll ask for the password, which password you've put, you know it yourself. Then they'll ask for the server. This is the server you put. This is the login you put and the password that you created. So we're going to go just directly to our MT5 trading platform and we put in these details for us to connect that platform. So you can always get to your email. You'll find them there. So how do you link when you already have those details? Just come to the word file. When you click file, click on open an account. Once you click on open an account, select HF Markets SV Limited, then click next. Once you've clicked next, there are three options here. Make sure you click the option that has create with an existing trade account. You put your password, you know it yourself better. Then you make sure that you're on the right server as what was given to you here. Then your account will say incoming mail, meaning that it is now connected and it will make that one nice sound. What will be remaining is basically now to deposit on this account and start trading. But then the thing is, we don't know how to deposit. Let's go and see how we can deposit on this particular account. However, to deposit, you just come to the word deposit here. When you click deposit, you literally are going to see the payment methods that we have on the system. So we usually recommend mobile money for instant deposits, instant withdrawals. So there is mobile money here that is MTN Airtel. Or once it's not available, there is another mobile money here which is called Kuchinga. So you select, I usually recommend this one. Select mobile money payments. When you select mobile money payments, they'll tell you to put the amount of money that you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit 1 million. Put the amount there and click on to deposit. Once you click on to deposit, it's now gonna ask you MTN Airtel. So you select Airtel and then proceed. Pay with Airtel money. They will send an OTP on your phone. When you once you put the OTP there, then automatically you put in that OTP that is already sent. Once it's sent, there will come a pop-up notification on your phone that will request you to put in your mobile PIN. And once you put in your mobile PIN, the money automatically will come to your account. And that money will both reflect, will actually reflect on your wallet, or of your HFM wallet, which is this up here. This is the wallet. And now you'll have to transfer these funds that you've deposited to your trading account such that it can now be seen this side. So the thing is, you come on transfer funds. Once you reach on transfer funds, you save from wallet to that account that you've created. You say to that account, put in the funds. Let me check which account number is this account. It ends with 46. So 46, yes, 46, you put in the amount that you want to transfer, because you can have so many different MT5 trading accounts for different purposes. So let's say I've deposited 1 million and I just want to transfer $30 for just this account. I click transfer and automatically, once you also come to account view here, you will see that it will show you that this account has $30. Account view, it will show it to you that this account has $30, because anyone, you can have different accounts. You see, it's showing you $30. And then once we come to our platform, since we linked it, it's also showing. The video is very detailed, but then I've decided to make it precise and simple. However, in any case you happen to find any challenges, I've put my contacts in this video. Don't hesitate to contact us. We'll always be in position to help you. We do Forex trading mentorship programs. We do literally, if you want to learn, if you have any issues to do with Forex trading, crypto trading, just contact us. We'll always be in position to help you. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.